Most campers toss and turn all night on hard ground. They blame their sleeping pad or the rocky terrain. But the real problem is one pressure point, your hip bone. When you sleep on your side, your hip creates a single point of contact that digs into the ground all night. Here's what experienced backpackers do. Before setting up your tent, find where your hip will rest. Stand next to the spot and measure with your body. Then use your heel to dig a small depression, 2 to 3 inches deep, just the width of your hip. Use a scraping motion with your heel, not straight down kicks. Test the depth by lying down briefly. Your hip should nestle into the depression without your body tilting. This removes that single pressure point that ruins sleep. Same sleeping pad, same rocky ground, but now your weight spreads evenly instead of concentrating on one bone. One small hole, hours of better sleep.